at this point, we know that the Aam Aadmi Party is really firing at Prime Minister Modi for the jibe he's taken on Kejriwal, on the Chief Minister's residence that's been built by the Aam Aadmi Party. But where can the AAP hide? They've indeed built a massive home, calling it the Chief Minister's residence, splurged nearly 33 crores, and this is a confirmation that's come through a CAG report. No word on that. In terms of a response, the Aam Aadmi Party hasn't really defended that. Is that right, Shreya?
Well, absolutely. What the Aam Aadmi Party is actually attempting to do is, because the Prime Minister has attacked them, called it 10 years of Aapda in Delhi. The Prime Minister is also attacked over the entire Sheesh Mahal controversy, which is also under investigation. Remember, it's not just what the BJP is attacking, but there's also a preliminary inquiry that the Central Bureau of Investigation has done on the orders of the LG, which is also being investigated. So it is but obvious that today Aam Aadmi Party officials wouldn't have been allowed inside. But irrespective of it, when these narratives hit the ground, political parties also want to have an alibi to respond to, and that's exactly what you see happening on the ground right now. Tomorrow, the Aam Aadmi Party would have a stage to say that we did want media personals to visit Six Flags Staff Marg, but we were not allowed. We simultaneously wanted to enter and see the Prime Minister's residence, but that wasn't done. So this is a political narrative just to fight the Delhi elections, but we will not see any Aam Aadmi Party leader being allowed inside the PM residence. We are being told that Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bharadwaj's car has been stopped at the fag end, which is the other end of this road, which leads to the Prime Minister's residence.
Right.
And you can see the kind of security presence which is there on the other side of the stretch.
Stay with us. We're going to quickly bring in Virendra Sachdeva, who's speaking to the media there on allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party and that plush CM home. Here's what he has to say, the BJP chief of Delhi.
ये जो बंगला अलॉट है, एक बंगला ये हो गया आतिशी मार लेना का, एक बंगला कालका जी में हो गया, शीश महल भी चाहिए, तो ये बंगले वाली देवी बताएं इनको कितने बंगले चाहिए। ये जो बंगला अलॉट है, एक बंगला ये हो गया आतिशी मार लेना का, एक बंगला कालका जी में हो गया, शीश महल भी चाहिए, तो ये बंगले वाली देवी बताएं इनको कितने बंगले चाहिए।
Let me also bring in Amit Bharadwaj, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Amit, what we see here of Aam Aadmi Party netas standing and protesting outside a high secure zone, Prime Minister Modi's residence, they're attempting to block off the entryway and mounting pressure on the BJP, claiming it's the Prime Minister indeed who lives a very lavish life, that he indulges in expensive private jets, on global travels, on very expensive suits that he wears, some expensive sunglasses. These are claims made by the Aam Aadmi Party, and now they've landed up in front of the Prime Minister's residence itself just to blame him of lavishness.
Well, Nabila, what is happening right now is possibly Delhi police is playing around the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bharadwaj, because we have been taking detour of the area of the presidential state and the localities near the Prime Minister's residence, and these are very unprecedented visuals, interesting one as well. 24 hours after the Delhi elections were announced, what you have is two leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bharadwaj, being escorted by Delhi police vehicles and taking rounds in the Lutyens zone, first presidential state, then the embassy area, then Satya Marg, and now I believe we are being taken to Africa Avenue, because our car is following the Delhi police carcade, between which is Sanjay Singh. Now the car has stopped at the cut point of Africa Avenue, Yaswant Place. Delhi police officials stepping out. All action and drama on India today unfolding right now. We are trying to go closer to understand what is the development happening right now. And, the Delhi police officials are again trying to convince Sanjay Singh to not move further. Ma'am, क्या instruction दिए हैं आप लोगों ने? क्या instruction दिया गया है सौरभ जी आपको?
औरबिंदो मार्ग से प्रधानमंत्री निवास लोक कल्याण मार्ग पे लेके जाएंगे, आगे से औरबिंदो मार्ग से बोला उन्होंने।
औरबिंदो मार्ग तो आपको रोका नहीं जा रहा है अभी तक?
नहीं, अभी तक तो पुलिस एस्कॉर्ट करके ले जा रही है।
Okay. Saurabh Bharadwaj telling India today that now they are taking Aurobindo Marg route in order to reach the Prime Minister's residence. So interesting developments right now in Delhi. Continuously we are tracking the carcade in which Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj, both of them are being escorted by Delhi police. We got the first word on the latest development. So right now what's happening 24 hours after the announcement of the Delhi poll dates, AAP netas trying to turn the table on BJP over the issue of Six Flagstaff Mark bungalow. They have been facing allegations of spending the taxpayers' money on renovation of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence back in the day when COVID had unfolded in the country, in Delhi. And now AAP netas saying that, look, we want to show it on cameras of the media that whether the BJP's claims are true or not. And when they were stopped there, they said that now we'll head to 7 LKM to see Prime Minister's residence. The money that has been spent on Prime Minister's residence, we want to see all of that and show it to the country. And, their alibi is that if spending money during COVID on Chief Minister's residence was wrong, then the similar amount of money has been, in the similar manner and fashion, the money has been spent, taxpayers' money has been spent on Prime Minister's house as well. So either we were wrong and the expenditure on Prime Minister's house was wrong as well, or both of us are right. So an attempt to turn the tables on the BJP, but we are also getting you the latest development. Now what we are given to understand that this route will be through Aurobindo Marg, through which the Delhi police is intending to, at least that's what has been conveyed to these leaders. Saurabh Bhardwaj told us, Delhi police said that it's going to be Aurobindo Marg, through which they'll be taken to 7 Lok Kalyan Marg, where the Prime Minister's residence is located. And right now the carcades are taking another turn. So Delhi police possibly taking one more turn. So far it looks like that the Delhi police officials are in a way trying to avert confrontation and keep moving these two leaders of Aam Aadmi Party as much as possible in the Lutyens zone, because remember, it's a high security zone. Unless there is a clearance from the Prime Minister's office, no individuals can be allowed inside the Prime Minister's residence. So these cars have suddenly stopped, possibly because of the traffic movement, possibly because of a red light, and from here they would be taken to Aurobindo Marg. That's what the Delhi police told Sanjay Singh and Saurabh Bhardwaj. So quite an interesting development right now in Delhi over the debate of...
Right. Well, Amit is in fact bringing us the latest from the ground, where you have Aam Aadmi Party leaders outside Prime Minister Modi's residence pointing fingers at the BJP, claiming that they've spent crores of rupees to build a home for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, basically responding to the allegations of the BJP that AAP spent massive amounts on a lavish Chief Minister's residence, basically to house Arvind Kejriwal, while they call themselves Aam Aadmi Party netas, wanting to connect with the Aam Aadmi of Delhi. Their hypocrisy shown through that CM's home, the lavish spend on that. AAP responds, and how? Right outside Modi's residence, trying to block off Modi's home's entry point. That is a high secure zone. Expect the police to chase them out in just moments from now. Tensions there brewing right ahead of assembly elections in Delhi, and my correspondents there, we have Shreya Chatterjee and Amit Bharadwaj, Ashutosh Mishra, all on the ground bringing you the latest.